boys and girls. Now that we have finished reading Sunflower House together, I found a book right on our ARC bookshelf that you could read all by yourself. It's a nonfiction story called Sunflowers Grow. Remember, as you're reading, you'll want to touch each word so that you match your words as you're saying them. And if you get to a word that you're not sure about, remember, look at that beginning sound, look at that picture to see if it can help you figure out what that word might be. I hope you enjoy this story. I will see you at the end. Hi again, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed that story. I really noticed lots of power words like there and is. And then some of those words were a little tricky, like bud and leaf. I hope you got them and I hope you enjoyed that story. Thank you so much for reading with me today. I hope you have a great day. Bye.